Hey y'all, I got a new PINCHme box today, so I thought maybe I'd share it with y'all. I did open the edge of the box just to save some time, and so I'm going to just dump it out here and see what we got. Okay, is that everything? Looks like that's everything. Alright, excuse the fumbling camera, I'm still new with this. So we got RX bar for kids. In Berry Blast. It's got no bad stuff. I guess it's all made with, like, you know, everything is supposed to be really good for you. It's not supposed to have, like, any additives or chemicals or preservatives in it. It's supposed to be really, really good for you. And I think they're supposed to be, like, low in sugar. And, you know, like it says, no bad stuff. And then we have the Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Conditioner in Oat Delicacy. Is this the one with the, like, oat, must be oat milk. Yeah, it says oat milk and rice cream extracts. Now, I have seen a bunch of YouTube tutorials about, you know, growing your hair super long and using rice water, but I don't know if rice cream is something along that lines or not. I wonder how good this is going to be. I can't wait to try that out. And then we got... Sorry about the crackling. I know it's loud. This packaging. It's Slim Fast Bake Shop meal replacement, and it's a cookie now. They have these giant cookies. Double chocolate chip cookie. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. It says, looks like it says 4 hours of hunger control, which God knows I'm hungry all the time. So I don't know about y'all. And that's everything. That's everything I got in the PINCHme box this month. Hopefully next month it'll be a little bit more, or something a little more exciting. I wonder if other people got different things in their PINCHme boxes. I'd love to see someone else's stuff. Do you guys get PINCHme? If you don't, you know, it's real easy to sign up. All you got to do is go right to that website right there. And you fill some stuff out, you register, and you fill out like a little profile. And, you know, you go there every month on Tuesday and you get your samples. That's it. That's all you got to do. All right. Hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.